Equipped with amateur double countershaft, transmission structure and full synchronizer shifting system. This 12-speed manual heavy-duty gearbox features 12 forward gears and 2 reverse gears. With a maximum input torque of 1600 Nm, it adopts uniform gear ratio grading, providing powerful low gear torque and fuel-efficient overdrive performance. With precision fine-tooth meshing technology and shot-peening reinforced gears, the gearbox operates smoothly with low noise, outstanding load capacity and excellent durability. Compact axial size and reasonable weight design make it perfectly compatible with medium and heavy-duty dump trucks, cargo trucks, container trucks and special vehicles. It balances heavy load-bearing capacity and high-speed economy, featuring stable structure, easy installation and low maintenance cost, serving as a high-quality matching part for heavy truck power transmission systems. Strict quality inspection is carried out before delivery to guarantee reliable long-term working conditions under harsh transportation environments. We provide original quality products with complete specifications and sufficient stock, ideal for vehicle refitting, replacement repair and vehicle supporting.